welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa, this is Nessa CX Beauty, and today we are going to be unboxing the May 2020 Boxycharm. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box, just continue watching. So this month, I didn't get like a little paper in my box, and I thought they were trying to be sustainable, but I also didn't receive the paper in my email, which I usually do if they don't send it in the box. It's in my email, but they didn't send it in either. So I had to look through the box, look up the prices, look up the total, and all of that jazz. So this is what I'm gonna be using instead of, you know, the nice card that they come in every single month. And that was kind of disappointed because it's either they send a physical one or one to my email. They never really just like leave me out to dry, but this month, this is what we're working with. So I do not have a clue what variation I have. But the first item in my box is the facial pads by Elemis. And this was actually a choice item, so I did know that this was coming in my box, and they retail for $59. I was such a fan of the First Aid Beauty ones that came in Boxycharm a few months ago that I really wanted to try these out. So I'm really happy that this was a choice item. I will not be using it on my face today because my face is feeling very, very sensitive from all of the Ordinary products that I've been using recently. So I'm not going to be using this on my face yet, but I am excited that I got it and it was a choice item. The next item is the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. This is her. She retails for $35, and I wouldn't see myself paying like $20 for this palette. It came in such a weird condition. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's bent up here, and then you open it up. There's eyeshadow here, and then it's pretty torn right here, bent out of shape, and it just doesn't look like an eyeshadow palette that I would pay $35 for. It actually looks used, so I don't think I'm going to be putting this on my eyes today at all. I'm kind of scared to, not gonna lie. It might just be that it was tousled up in the box too much, but it looks like somebody took it out of their collection and put it in my box. And that's all I gotta say on that. And I didn't watch any of the spoilers this month, but if I would have known that this was a choice, I would have known that this box would have been a disappointment to me. And it kind of is so far. The next item, I am actually happy that it came in my box. I don't know anything about the brand, but this is I Am Beauty Care Dead Sea Mineral Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. I am running out of makeup wipes because we're in quarantine and I haven't really purchased any, but these retail for $17, so I am looking forward to using them. And I don't know, hopefully I like it. I do like products with vitamin C in them because I do have hyperpigmentation on my face, so I am excited about this. The next item is like a weird item to me. I never thought that I would be getting this like in a box or anything, but this is the Daily Concepts shampoo bar, and it's like, I already used it. I'm gonna insert the clip of me using it while I talk about it, but it's like a soap bar, but for your hair. And so like it comes with like a little wristlet and you can use it and all that jazz. But to talk a little bit about the product, it retails for $24 and it has avocado oil in it, it has nopal cactus in it, and it has aloe in it. So it does have really nice ingredients. But something I will say is that, yo, do not get this in your eyes, because as I was using it today, it got in my eye and it stung like crazy. And that doesn't happen with a lot of my shampoos. So this, I don't know what it has in it that made me want to like pop out my eyes. But it is cruelty free, and the concept behind it is to minimize the use of plastic, so it does have a really nice, you know, message to it. But The one con I will say is that it makes my eyes water, tear, and sting. So I do not like that. But I will say, this is freshly washed hair. It does look really, really, really nice. And the shampoo did suds up the way that I like my shampoo to do it. So I will continue using it because I feel like my hair really liked it. But I'm gonna try to keep it out of my eyes. The next item I couldn't find on the May 2020 Boxycharm like list that they have online. So I had to actually go to the Tristique website to find this. This is the Tristique Conceal Cover Correct Crayon in the shade Bisque. And it retails for $12. But what I will say about it is Boxycharm got my shade perfect. Like perfect to the T. Gorgeous, stunning. They hit the nail on the head with this shade. I can't speak on the durability of it, but I did use it today and I did, you know, cover up my little blemishes before my Zoom meetings at work. So I feel like that's what I will be using this for. Again, it's $12. It's not like the most revolutionary thing, but it is nice for covering up when I am not wearing like foundation and all of that jazz. So that was everything in my box, and the total retail value for my box this month was $147, and that was definitely skewed by the facial pads because these alone are $59, so the rest of it made up the $147. But would I say that I'm happy about this box? I guess I would like to say that the thing that I look forward to the most in every Boxycharm is usually the eyeshadow palette. So the fact that this eyeshadow palette was just like the biggest letdown, I don't know. I don't like that it came up like this, and I don't actually like palettes that look like this. I don't like skinny pans, and I wouldn't pay $35 for this, so this kind of broke the box for me. I am excited about the wipes, but like again, I don't know, I could have bought like $5 wipes from Sephora. And I am excited about the facial pads because this was a choice item, but everything else in the box I guess is eh. And I feel like the past 2 months with Boxycharm have been like the worst boxes that I've gotten to date. And I don't know why that is, but I feel like the quality and the like, I don't know, the quality is just going down and they're putting less makeup in it. And the reason why I signed up for Boxycharm is for the makeup. So I really don't know. I hated last month's box. And I got it around the 20th of last month, and I decided not to film that box because I was so like just like not happy with it, and I got it so late in the month, and I thought this month would make it feel better, but it kind of didn't. Like I don't even know how to feel, but I am looking forward to next month. I believe next month is Boxy Luxe. So I'm looking forward to that because Boxy Luxe makes it feel like Christmas, and I'm hoping that that doesn't let me down. But that was my box. And that's all I have to say. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are in the world, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.